my battery tray. I've been on this a couple of days, and it's going to hold five batteries and be mounted underneath the truck. It's all made out of recycled steel, well, apart from one bit, but that's an offcut left over from another job. Where is it? That little piece in, all the pieces in on the left hand side is there. They're all new bits, but left over offcuts. But everything else is recycled. The white bit is a disabled ramp, and the top bits was an old piece off a farm. And I've got these pieces. They're new, but they were packaging from a fridge freezer. I've got two of them. They're going to be the bits I cut down to hold as the tie straps. They'll hold the batteries in with some threaded rod. And I've got to say, I've still got a little bit more to do. I've got to can't find the bit now. I've got to do some more welding on it. I've got to weld that little piece in there which will then where is it? Camera. There we go. That will bolt up to there and go up to the top to support the middle. But it's all got to unbolt to hinge down, so I can actually get the batteries in. It's been a bit of a challenge. It hasn't gone as well as I thought, because I've got to assemble some of it up under the truck. I've got to do quite a bit of welding, and I've got to put these little bits in. It's hard doing it through the screen. So yeah, I've got to weld them little bits in, the gussets in. So there's a bit of a view. So it's virtually complete. You can see the white bits at the bottom right hand corners and the bottom left hand corners. They're bits of the disabled ramp that was cut up. So it hasn't cost nothing other than a bit of gas and wire for the welder. Thought I'd just do a quick view from underneath. Don't look at the welding too closely, it's not the greatest, but it won't come off.